Telepresence Experience, right? This one is entirely different from what you saw in the other row. It's more of an Apple, looking environment, right? So what is OTX? OTX is everything that you see from here all the way to the acoustic paneling in the front. Everything, and it comes in two part numbers, right? Everything you see from here all the way to the acoustic paneling and the lights. The mics. The lights at the back wall is the second part number. So that's what we call the experience kit, right? This one, it's 3 LCD screens. 16 endpoints can be connected into one screen, so there's 48 endpoints can be connected into the system. Again, going back to open standards and H.264 high profile, all the good stuff, everything is the same here. The engine and the technology running is the HDX 8000, 3 HDX 8000s running here. Content sharing is something very, very important in every meeting, right? So when you're looking at our competitors, the content screen is somewhere on the top or the bottom. So when we're in a meeting, what happens is you're looking up or you're looking down. You're not having that face-to-face meeting, right? So that's what meeting is all about. You have to have the face-to-face meeting. So over here, what we did is we got the content screens. I think somebody just brought it up, but I'll just bring the content screens up. So what happens here is the content screens pop up, and once I stop sharing the content, what happens is the screens don't go down, it stays up, and the next person who wants to share the content can go ahead and push the content. And we use something called People Plus Content IP, which is it's a wireless application that runs on my PC, and I just install it and push content using the IP address of the codec.
Is there just one? Is there just one host who is in control of this, like you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So I push the content, and if anybody else wants to push the content, they can start pushing, and mine goes down. Okay. Right. I can stop mine, and then it only goes one at a time. You can't have multiple people pushing content. Also, you cannot do that. The back wall gives you that consistent experience. The wave pattern on the screen, it's not something that Polycom was really bored and they decided to put that wave on there. There's a reason why the wave is there. It's because to give you that 3D look, right? Because if it was just a blank wall in the back, I would not be that clear, that sharp, right? Right now, because of that wavy pattern, I just pop out. It's more 3D, more clear, right? So that's the reason why we have the pattern in the back. Cost-wise, you're talking about $300,000 to $350,000 is everything that you see in that room. Bandwidth required to run one of the system is about 4.5 megs max. You can go beyond that, but we have tested it where it goes up to 512 per codec. It's about 1.5 meg, and still has that good quality experience. But we recommend 1.5 per codec, so it's about 4.5 meg. What else? It's this is a multi-purpose room again. You can have, if you're not using video, you can have 2 people on both sides on both sides of the row and have a regular meeting. What else? Richard, anything else that I'm missing?
He
just walked out.
He walked out.
He's back now.
The price in the price you don't get the chairs. The chairs cost about $1,500 per piece. I don't know. I'm not sure why, but I have the same chair at home. Spend $100.
I don't think I just heard that. So did I hear that right? The chairs are not included?
No, chairs are not included.
That's like a cheesy little, by the way, we'll throw in the chair.
Yeah. Like if you spend $300, $300,000, you might as well get the chairs.
Well, if I'm not mistaken, I believe the chairs that we have, I believe Captain Kirk sat in the chairs, and that's why they're $1,500. Would that be one?
I guess, man.
All right.
Okay.
So
we
saw.
Richard, did you go through the touch panel?
Not not so much. You know, we're going to do a little bit more. We have the Microsoft demo next.